Meaning of defrock.
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 Defrock. Defrock means to remove a priest from their position in the church, usually as a punishment for committing a serious offense or breaking the church's rules. When a priest is defrocked, they lose all of their rights and privileges within the church, including the ability to perform religious ceremonies and wear traditional priestly garments. They are no longer considered a member of the clergy and are expected to return to secular life. Defrocking is a serious and irreversible action that is reserved for the most egregious violations of church laws and standards.